Right, what's happening, guys? So today I'm here with Dave. Fucking hell, I said Dave. Was it? What an idiot. Alright. What's happening, guys? So today I'm here with Shane, and Shane has kindly brought his Mark 5 GTi to the channel. Now, I know a lot of you are going to say, oh, you done a Mark 5 before, you done a Golf GTi, Golf this. Yeah, I know, but this one is a totally different spec from the Mark 5 we had on last year, Lawrence's Mark 5.
Lawrence, yeah.
So for starters, Lawrence's is running, I think it's a PHZ engine, isn't it?
CDL.
CDL engine, yeah.
CDL, yeah.
Okay, what engine are you running?
BWA. With stock internals.
Okay, so is that BWA the standard engine with the Mark 5? It is, yeah?
Third one of these. Or
right.
The earlier ones used to be the AXX engine.
Yeah.
So, but obviously being the 2006 had the BWA, that was a later one.
Right.
So, but I think apparently it's slightly stronger than the AXX. So,
right, okay.
But I'm literally limits on stock internals as we speak.
What, torque-wise or
torque-wise and power, really.
Right, okay. So what are your, how much is he pushing out?
355.5 and 351 foot-pound of torque.
Yeah. What have you done modification-wise to get yourself there?
Modification-wise is obviously full revo intake, runner flap delete, obviously I've cleaned like all the inlet bolts.
Yeah.
Full 3-inch decat, full 3-inch exhaust with 2 silencers.
Full 3-inch turbo back, yeah?
Turbo all the way back. Yeah. Obviously it's got the K4064 off the Audi S3.
Right.
So obviously, because these come standard with the K3.
Yeah.
So obviously I have that. Obviously the Ali S3 intercooler as well.
Okay.
Done full aircon delete, so I ditched a load of weight on that.
Yeah.
So
that's something I usually do as well as the aircon delete.
Yeah.
I've done it on most of my cars.
Yeah. Well, the problem on these, obviously the aircon radiator is at the front of the intercooler, so it's in front of it.
Right.
So obviously it is technically a restriction. So obviously taking that out puts a whole air right the way across the front there.
Right. Okay. Yeah, so what else have you done, like engine mod wise? Is that it? Nothing's forged, no?
No new forging yet.
Okay, are you going to go down that road at all?
I'd like to, if the money comes in.
Well, yeah, you better put some more overtime in.
Yeah, that's it. More overtime, more cash.
How much are you looking? How much is it going to be, like, what's the forge cost, forge builds on these?
Well, along with forge, I'd also obviously like the LSD to be done, and I'll probably be looking somewhere about the £3 mark.
Oh yeah, you said you're going for a Quafe, isn't it?
Yeah, either a Quafe or a wave track. I'm looking at.
Quafe or a wave track, yeah.
Obviously the wave track's got, it's not known as well as the Quafe, but obviously it does have better reviews.
Yeah.
But obviously it just takes longer to get hold of, because obviously it's from America.
Yeah. I like these seats actually. I don't think they'll be alright for a long journey, but
no, it gets a bit painful.
Yeah.
Well, lucky enough for me, obviously I don't use it for long trips apart from shows, so my trips are only half an hour to go.
Yeah.
How you finding the brakes then?
They're on it. I'm hardly touching the pedal, man, and already could be licking the windscreen. What are the brakes? So brakes and suspension wise, what have you done?
Suspension wise is relentless coilovers.
Yeah.
Obviously through Samuel Bryant on Facebook you can get them. And then brake wise I've got the TTRS 4-pot Brembos on the front.
Yeah.
Running 2-piece split M-Tech 345 disc off the S3 and the R32.
Right.
I got a complete R32 setup on the back, and then I've recently in the last week just put the TTRS master cylinder as well.
Okay.
So
does that give you better?
Bigger. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
And then full braided lines from Forge Motorsports as well.
Okay.
And then obviously running the old Dom Ford Type 280 brake fluid as well.
Okay.
With a higher boiling point. It's obviously lasts for track use.
Yeah. Or is it irritating? I don't know.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? So Shane, talk us through what's going on the outside, mate. I see we got the Maxton
design splitter.
Yeah, and you fitted that yourself.
Yeah.
What's that? The second one you've had, yeah?
Yeah, the second one, 'cause the first one I destroyed when I come off Castle 120 on Folly Corner.
Oh,
trying
dear.
to go 3 up.
Okay,
So-
right. Okay, I noticed these. Is this a wrap or are these real?
These are carbon skinned.
Yeah.
Obviously genuine with the labels Volkswagen behind.
Right. Okay.
So and then obviously done the smoked indicators as well, just kind of tone it all down so they don't like the white.
Okay. I see your two pieces in there. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a 2-piece C hook or J hook, whichever you want to call it.
Yeah.
The M-Tech, obviously with bigger openings through the cooling and obviously curved directional airflow. Then the TTRS calipers, obviously, and then the pads, as we can see, a lot of brake dust.
Yeah.
So the only
Old school wheelers as well.
Team Dynamic 1.2s. I bought them real cheap, so they kind of set me back a lot less than what it is for a brand new set. So then I had them refurbed by a bloke on Facebook, Lee Brewer, who's an alloy wheel specialist.
Okay.
So he done them in a slightly different gold to normal. So obviously what he's happy with.
Yeah.
So I had all those done as well. So
Yeah.
I've had, it's my 8th set of wheels, so I like to do something different.
I noticed you got the old GTI little wrap strip thing on there.
Yeah, I had those done last week just to kind of give it somewhat on the outside because it looked a bit plain before.
Yeah.
So just kind of give it
Yeah,
that
it's
little
alright.
bit of
Sets it
colour.
off, man.
So done by Shade Wraps as well.
Now this, guys and girls and people, is a bit of a hot topic between
It's like
in our little group that we have. Yeah, it's like Marmite. You either love it or you hate it. So I'll be interested, guys, if you can leave some comments. And Shane's pretty thick-skinned. Leave some comments about what you think about this spoiler on the car. Yeah, you can be as brutal as you like,
or as nice as you like.
or as nice, yeah, or as nice as you like. So yeah, let me know what you think about this spoiler on this car. From some angles, for me, it looks all right, but there's other angles, it just like
it looks huge from the back.
it looks like it
but not
shouldn't
from
be
front.
there. Yeah. So yeah. Right, let's have a look at this rear bumper skirt.
Rear bumper from eBay. A company in Germany it was that make them off eBay, but a lot of stories I've heard is you can't buy them anymore because they've stopped selling them. So obviously I do get a lot of people asking to sell it, and
Yeah.
I'm like, no, I'm not selling the bumper, it's staying on the car.
It looks all right. I don't know if you can see it in this light properly, but no, oh, that's it. That's the one.
Yeah,
Right,
it's actually an R32 style.
Right.
It's meant for the R32s, that's why you got the bigger opening in the middle.
Yeah.
For the twin pipes.
Yeah.
But I wanted to go each side.
Touch of understeer there,
Yeah.
only a little bit, but I wasn't fully planted into it, but yeah, it seems alright though.
Yeah, but that's where obviously I've done the anti-lift kit on the front as well, so I've done
Well, you got the white line and
Black Series bushes along with obviously the R-Tech rear brace
yeah.
to stiffen the back. That's where it creaks a little bit.
Yeah, that creaking is, I gotta admit, it's bloody annoying.
Yeah, it is.
give me a brief history of your car history, basically. So,
Car history.
what's the last 3 cars you had before this one, and what brought you to this decision now to go for the Mark 5 Golf?
Before this one, I had an E46 330D.
Right.
Saloon, and I took that from 184 brake stop to about 270,
Yeah.
and about 460 foot-pound of torque in it. So that was quite fun.
Yeah.
Before that, obviously, some people did know me where I had a little Corsa C.
I didn't know you then, but I heard
A lot of.
I heard of that Corsa. You took out
An
somebody
RS3.
who we know, RS3, yeah, and you embarrassed him.
Yeah.
In your Corsa. What was done to that Corsa? Out of curiosity. It was turbocharged, wasn't it?
Believe it or not, it's a Z20 there, completely standard block.
Yeah.
Front mount intercooler, obviously usual crossover delete.
Yeah.
With a VXR turbo on it. It was only running about 240 brake and about 12 psi boost.
How much is she weighing in at?
Well, I stripped that one out, so probably a maximum of a ton if that.
Yeah, that's what's killing the people,
Yeah.
isn't it? Yeah. So you embarrassed our friends RS3, yeah?
Well, obviously that one had, for me, it had a diesel gearbox ratio in it.
Ah, right, okay.
So it used to catch a few people out and used to last a bit longer.
Yeah.
But yeah, that RS3, and then that's obviously how I ended up meeting Dane Rosa.
Yeah. Well, we don't talk about Dane.
Yeah, we don't talk about him. That's rivalry.
Yeah. So what
We're
did you
coming for you, Dane.
What did you have before the Corsa?
Before that, I had a Subaru Impreza.
Okay. Talking my language now.
A UK 2000 in white.
Oh, right, okay.
But I was a crazy one who ended up putting pink wheels on it.
Ah, right, okay.
But I ended up putting bucket seats, wrap rings and that. But it kind of done weird in breaking it, and it only lasted like 6 months in my life.
A Subaru life for you though, man.
Yeah. Well,
It's a thin line between love and hate with those cars, and it's a very thin line.
Yeah. And then the beast I had before that was an Astra Mark IV.
Oh, right, okay.
That was a 2.2, and then I done a supercharger conversion on it.
Oh, right, okay.
So there was only at the time about 3 or 4 in the UK that have been done.
Okay, what kind of power was that pushing?
That made from 147 stock to then hitting 253.
Not bad.
But maximum on that stock internals was 260 brake it would take. So, but that was an expensive conversion.
Yeah. What supercharger was on that?
It's the M62 eating off a Colbert SS shipped from America.
Right, okay.
So that was a lot of work went in on that one.
Yeah.
Then I got rid of it after 6 weeks of doing it.
Fucking hell.
Because I wanted more power.
So what brought you to the point of buying a Mark 5? Obviously, I know that you got this cheap. Was that?
Yes.
Did that kind of sway
Yeah.
you in that direction to buying it?
And the mileage that was on this car at the time, and I've had manuals and I really wanted an auto because I just wanted a bit of lazy driving.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
And then obviously the DSG popped up, and then this one did at the price with the low mileage. So I thought it's worth a punt.
Yeah.
And then obviously,
So how long have you owned this car now?
about a year and a half.
About a year and a half. Yeah.
2 years in October this year.
And are you at? I know what the answer could be. Are you at where you want to be at with the car?
Never.
Exactly. I knew you was going to say that.
Never be there.
All right, let's have a little blip. That is a stiff ride, man. Can't go anywhere stealthy in this thing, man.
No. Get heard about half the mile away.
Blessed. Now sit back and observe days I used to ride bikes, pegs in the curb, swerve through traffic, headphones on with Stillmatic. I'm lyrically inclined, push balls like I'm lifting weights, smoking trees,